Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Victor Chang. I work for Shenzhen Liverpool University. So my background is data science for multidiscipline. I'm the conference chair of IoT, BDS, and complexity. So my talk today is on enterprise information system to realize and understand more about the world. The topic sounds big, but then before we are going to introduce further, let me just introduce about the overview. I'm going to start with the modern enterprise information system. EIS, because when the technology has been moved on, then we use different type of technology and technique that include a cloud, Internet of Things, big data, and the overview with architecture. And then I'm going to focus more on weather, research and computing, and finance and economic research, and other services that can be enabled by EIS, as well as the summary of the research contribution, discussion, and conclusion. So then, there are a lot of problems in the world. We know that we suffer from typhoon, flood, extreme weathers, pollutions, and then even poverty, earthquakes, extreme weather, uncertain period of time, and then drought. And of course, economic and finance problems that leads to job losses and strikes. So the world is having a lot of problems. As a scientist, what should we do? We should use other technology and technique to help us to understand. These are the big issues. But then, what are our approaches? Now, we are at the age of facing the new technology and techniques. So, what can we do? First of all, the use of Internet of Things with a lot of sensors to collect data so that we then realize what has been happening in the world. What we can then realize what has been happening here and then we have the most up-to-date. Then we can then connect to each other, collect data, analyze data, and then we can understand the implications. And data have all types of forms, and then from different types of discipline, in text, in images, video, and so on. Then we need something to realize the deep analysis, because we need to understand, after collecting so much data, what are the lessons learned? How can we know the better future? How can we help us to gain for the most benefit of it? And then, at the same time, we don't want to spend too much cost. We don't want to spend millions, billions, like keep burning money. We need to then extract the knowledge and then combine other fields. Because now, while we are at a junction of doing different disciplines, we need to learn a little bit of statistics, machine learning, data mining, big data, and predictive analytics. In this world, in the past, we can have one job that lasts for a long time, but now we will have the opportunity